The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
So guys, am I audible? Yes, can you hear me, all of you? Okay. Fine guys, let us proceed now. So yeah, let us proceed with the concept. So all of you have executed the program. Yes, all of you have executed the program. You're getting the output right. Yes. So yesterday I said, like, if you are facing any problem regarding software and if you are not getting the output, you can join the meeting. Yes, at 6 p.m. Yes, by 5:45, right? But only 2 to 3 members joined. Yes, so if you people will do like that, then if you're still getting an error and if you're not going to join the meeting, then I can't help you, right? If you have this attitude, then it's very difficult, right? Yeah, so fine. So last class we completed, guys. Last class we completed 5th step. Yeah, so let us do revision, then we will proceed. Yeah, if you have any doubt, guys, you can ping me in chat box. Yes, not regarding software installation and that thing. I'm not going to listen that now. Today I gave time. If you are getting any error software installation and all, you can join the meeting. But only 2 to 3 members, right? Yes. So fine, guys. Let us proceed now. Yeah, let us proceed. Okay. So guys, last class, which concept we have completed? Yeah, so yesterday we have discussed the fifth step of JDBC. Yes, so yesterday guys we have discussed the fifth step of JDBC. So in fifth step, basically we are going to execute. Basically we are going to execute the SQL query. Yes, basically we are going to execute the SQL query. So guys, SQL query can be executed by three different functions. Yes, SQL query guys can be executed by three different functions, namely execute method. Yes, I'm repeating the things guys, just listen. If you have any doubt, you can clear it off. Yeah, so execute method, next it was execute update method, and the third one was execute query. Third one was guys execute query. Yes, execute query method. So these three methods guys we started and we saw two of them, right? So coming about execute method guys, coming about execute method, this execute method is nothing but, yeah, coming about execute method, this method is nothing but it is a generic method. Yes, it is nothing but guys, it is a generic method. Generic method. So generic method in the sense here we can pass any type of SQL query. We can pass any type of SQL query. Yes, we can pass any type of SQL query. Yeah. Now coming about this execute method, the return type is Boolean. Return type is Boolean. So guys, any type of query in the sense you can pass a DML, you can pass a DDL, and you can pass DQL. Yes, these queries you can pass here. So guys, coming about this execute method, it is nothing but return type is Boolean. So either it will return true or it will return false. So in case of DQL, in case of DQL, it will return true. In case of DML or DTL, it will return false. It will return false. So here method signature is nothing but you can say method signature is, yeah, method signature is public, yeah, Boolean execute, yeah, public Boolean execute. I'm not going to write guys, these things we discuss, yeah, public Boolean execute, and since the return type is Boolean, so it will return some Boolean value. Next comes your execute update method. Next comes your execute update method. So coming about execute update method guys, it is a specialized method. Coming about this method guys, it is a specialized method. So since it is a specialized method, it is applicable only for DML. It is applicable guys only for DML. Now the return type or method signature we can say it is, method signature is public, integer, and we will pass their method name. So execute update. Execute update. So coming about this execute update, we can pass only DML. So this execute update is going to return some integer value. It will return some integer value. So this integer value can be, this integer value can ranges from 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1. So this is going to represent number of rows affected in database. Number of rows affected in database. This integer value guys basically it is going to represent number of rows affected in database. So this was execute is applicable. It's a generic method. It can be used for any type of query. Execute update is applicable only for DML. Now this execute query guys we have not discussed yet, but remember it is applicable only for DQL. It is applicable guys only for DQL. Once time will come, we will do it. Now if you want to execute anything, so you will say stmt execute. Yes, you will say stmt execute, or you can say stmt execute update and so on. right? So these things we discussed in last class, along with we wrote a program and we performed insert operation. Yes, so in last class, guys, we wrote a program and we performed insert operation. So guys, have you tried and did you able to do update and delete? Yes, yes. Have you tried all of you and are you able to do update and delete, guys? All of you? Yeah, you are getting the output, guys. So let me open SQL Yog. Yeah, all of you are getting the output? Okay, very good. That's good. So first, let me open my database like SQL Yog. So the database name was JEM21, if you remember, guys, and the table name was EMT, right? So we'll click on table, then here we'll click on table data. Now, we will go back and we will write our JDBC program to delete a record. I'm not going to write the complete program, guys. Just I'll change the query, right? Even you know, just if you can change the query, your program will work. So that's what. Let us go to this thing. Just a second, guys. Let us open our project. Not this, not this. First JDBC project, or JDBC basics, right? Then SRC. So JDBC program 2, right? Today we have used. Yeah. So this was the program. So guys, today we have used, yes, today we have written a program to insert a record, right? We have written a program to insert a record. Now I want to delete a record. So I want to delete a record, guys. So what I'll do, I'll just change the query. Yes, I'm going to change the query. And now you can see I'm using the method as execute update. Currently, I'm using the method as execute update. So it will return number of rows affected in data. So fine, guys, let us go back and let us go and write a query here. So what is the syntax? What query we have to write, guys? What is the query we have to write for delete? So I'll write string query equals to. Here, what query I need to pass, guys? Yes, guys, what query we can pass? Tell me syntax, that's it. I don't want complete Ramayana Mahabharata. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So we have to write delete from database name dot table name and we have to pass the where clause, right? So fine, let us proceed. So we will write here delete from, so database name is JEM21 and table name is, yeah, from, yeah, and we will pass here what? Database name dot table name. And then I'll pass where clause. Where, let's say, what is the column name, guys? So column name is employee number. So where employee number is, let's say I'll delete 1 to 4. Yeah. So where employee number equals to 1 to 4 in my case. So this employee number is 1 to 4. That's it, guys. Now just we will execute and let's see how many records will be deleted. So you can see we have only one record, right? We have only one record, 1 to 4. 1 to 4. So one record will be deleted and we will get count value as 1. Integer value we will get, guys, as 1. Let us proceed and execute it now. So right click, then run as Java application. Let us wait, we'll see. Guys, you can see in the console we are getting record inserted. Okay, so I need to change the statement basically. It should be record deleted, right? It should be record deleted. but by mistake I'm printing, but you can see guys, we are getting count value as 1. We are getting guys count value as 1. And now we will go back to database and we will see some magic. We will see some magic guys. That is your record 1 to 4. The employee who is having 1 to 4 employee number, that record will be deleted. Just will click on refresh. So guys, you can see if I'll click on refresh, the particular record has been deleted. Particular record has been deleted. Now what I'll do, I'll add few records here. So you can add it manually also. So just you can pass the data. Let's say I'll pass you data here, Mr. Uday. And let's say I'll pass some salary as 15,000, 20. Next, let's say 125. You can insert the data like that also, like this also, guys, and you can save it. Yeah. So Mr. Uday, I'm going to take one more, Mr. Uday, and let's say 50,000. Let's say 60,000, 70,000. Yeah. You can take whatever you want. That is completely depends upon you guys. I'll take 126 and I'll pass here Mr. Uday because I want to demonstrate you one thing, right? So 5,000. I want to demonstrate something. So what I'll do, guys, so after passing this data, here you will get saved. Yes, here we are going to give, here you will get something as save changes. Yes, here you will get something as save. This, right? After inserting the data manually, guys, you can click on this save. Whatever data you pass, it will be saved here. It will be saved. And if you refresh, you can see in this table, you will have these many records. If you refresh, guys, in the table, you will get these many records. So now, guys, what I'll do, I'll go back to, so first of all, I'll change this statement. I'll say record deleted. Yes, I'll say, guys, record deleted. And I'll pass a query, delete from JEJM 21.employee where ename equals to Mr. Uday. Yes, I'll pass here ename equals to Mr. Uday. Ename equals to Mr. Uday. So we need to remember what name we give exactly, right? We have to remember the name, guys. If you are going to do uppercase, lowercase thing also, it won't work. So Mr. Uday, yeah. So guys, now if I write this query, if I'll execute this program, then how many records will be deleted? Yes, if I'll execute this, then how many records will be deleted? Can anyone tell me? Okay, let us go to database and yes, how many records will be deleted, guys? All the records? Yes, all records will be deleted. So now can I write instead of where clause, can I pass delete from JEJM? Yeah, can I pass like this, guys? Delete from JEJM 21.emp. Yes, can I pass like this, guys? Delete from JEJM 21.emp. So in this case also, all the records will be deleted. So basically, guys, here how many records we are going to delete? So 4 records. Yes, here, guys, how many records we are going to delete, guys? 4 records. So now let us go back and execute this program. Yes, let us go back and execute this program. So guys, that's what I said. This execute update method will return, this execute update method, guys, it will return some integer value. It will return what, guys? Some integer value, and that integer value is going to represent number of rows affected in database. So currently 4 record has been deleted. So you can see, guys, we are getting count value as 4. We are getting, guys, here you can see, guys, here you can see we are getting count value as 4. We are getting here count value as 4. That's what this execute update method will execute the query, and the return type is what, guys? Return type is integer. So that integer value is going to represent number of rows affected in database. So here we have affected 4 records, so the count value is 4. Yes, I hope guys people are able to follow. So we'll go back to database and we'll click on refresh. You can see all the data has been deleted. All the data, guys, it has been deleted. Now similarly guys, what we will do, let me insert one more record manually so that we can update the record. Yes, if we have record, then only we can update. So you can insert by executing this query, yeah, or you can insert manually. So fine, already we have the query, guys. Already we have query, so I'll insert by executing a query. This time you will get count value as 1. You will get, guys, count value as 1. Yeah, so here let's say record affected. Instead of delete and all, I'll give a generic term record affected. Yes, I'll give, guys, record affected. So in this database currently I have 1 record. Currently, guys, I have 1 record. Employee number is 124. Name is Mr. Keshav and salary is 70,000. Now, guys, I want to update the record. Yes, I want to update the record. Yes, I want to update the record. But for this Mr. K, for this employee 124, I want to update. For this employee 124, I want to update name as well as salary. Based on this employee number, guys, I want to update name as well as salary. So first we will see how to update one field. Yes, how to update one field. Even after that, we will see how we can update multiple fields. So fine, I want to update the salary of the employee 124. So what I'll do, I'll go back to program. I'll comment this part and I'll write here one more query. So string, let's say I'll pass here this as a query 1. Simply, guys, I'm doing query 2 and here I'll pass query 3. Yeah, query 3. Query 3 equals to, query 3 equals to, and here we'll write update. So again, table name, database name dot table name, update database name dot table name, where? Okay, so before that we have to make use of set, right? So emp set salary equals to, so let's say I want to decrement the salary. So I'll say where salary equals to 50,000. Set salary equals to 50,000, where employee number equals to 124. I hope. Yes, where employee number equals to 124. So this is your syntax. Yeah, employee number is 124 itself. So this syntax we discussed already in case of SQL. So I'm not going to repeat, guys. Yeah. So and here we will pass query. Here we'll pass, guys, query. So currently, guys, we are going to update the salary of 124 employees. So if you can see, the old salary is 70,000, and now we are going to update it to 50,000. So fine, let us execute this. Let us execute this. Okay, some error we are getting. Update this set salary equals to this, where okay. Let's see why we are getting the error. We'll see console now. Okay, let us check the console. Why we are getting an error, guys? It is telling unknown column salary. Okay, so the salary column name I passed wrong. It is eSal, right? So I need to pass it eSal. eSal. Now I'll execute. Salary column is yes, eSal. Guys, you can see we are getting record affected 1. We are getting, guys, record affected 1. Let us go back to database and we'll see whether the salary has been updated or not. So click on refresh. So guys, you can see the salary has been updated. Yes, now you can see the salary has been updated. Yes. Now I want to update salary. Yeah, I want to update the salary as well. Yeah, I want to update the salary, and instead of this employee name, so first I want to update the salary to 40,000. Yes, I want to update the salary to 40,050 rupees. That's something. And even I want to change the name. I want to replace the name from Mr. Keshav to Mr. Uday. From Mr. Keshav to Mr. Uday for this particular employee number. So at a time, I want to update name as well as salary. So what you will do, guys? What query you will write? Yeah, at a time I want to update name as well as salary. What query you will write? Yes, anyone? I want to update name as well as salary. Think and let me know. Yeah, I'll give 1 minute time, guys. Think and let me know. By writing single query, yes, by writing single query itself, you have to do both. You have to update as well as you have to update salary as well as name. Yeah. Guys, many of you are using AND operator. Don't use AND operator instead. Yes, don't use AND operator. If you will use AND operator, you will not get output. Something else will be inside. Yes. So in case of SQL, even I taught you how to update multiple record, right? Yes. In case of SQL, I taught you how to update the multiple records. Just you have to change the query, guys. So let's say I want to update, guys, 2 records here. So I'll write update. Yeah, so let me go to Eclipse better. So I'll write update JEJN21.emp dot set salary. So I'm going to change the salary to 40,000, as well as I need to change the name. So here itself I'll give comma. Yes, here itself I'll give comma and I'll pass the new name. I'll pass, guys, new name. So it is a string, so I need to pass in single quote. Yes, I'll pass here new name. So instead of Mr. Keshav, I'll give here Mr. Uday. Yes, so I'll say here itself I'll give comma. Yeah, you are not supposed to use here and operator. You will give, guys, comma. So I'll say Mr. Uday. Mr. Uday. Now let us execute and we'll see whether my query, my program is working fine or not. Yes, you can see record affected 1. Record affected 1. So again, 1 record has been affected. That is, it has been updated currently. I'll go back and I'll click on refresh. You can see, guys, both the field has been updated successfully. Yes, both the field, guys, it has been updated successfully, name as well as that. Yes, so like this, guys, you can update. But hold on, if you will pass your AND operator, if you will pass your AND operator, then something else will get. You are not supposed to pass AND operator, guys. AND operator, basically we should pass only in where clause, not in set clause. Yes, AND operator, like any operator. In a case of SQL, we have learned the operators, right? So we have passed all the operator in where clause. Yes, did we pass any operator in from clause or select clause, guys? Yes, did we pass any operator in select clause or from clause up to like in SQL class? Till now, no, right? Yes, did we pass, guys, any operator in select clause or from clause in SQL class? Yes. So basically, all the operator we have to pass in where clause, or you can pass in having clause. You should not pass in from clause, set clause, or select clause. So fine, guys. If I do AND, then let's see what output you are getting. You will get here one rows affected. No doubt at all, you will get here one rows affected. Now let us go back to database and then see. We'll click on refresh. Now see the database carefully and click on refresh. What we are getting, guys, the salary has been updated to 1.0. Yes, the salary has been updated to 1.0. So it will check the conditions. If both the condition is true, it will assign 1. Yes, like that it is going to happen. Now let's say guys, I'll change it to something like this. Don't worry about this. Don't pass AND operator. If you will pass an OR operator, then let's see. We will get some different output. We will get some different output. So previously in salary column, we were getting 1. Here we are getting record affected, no doubt at all. And if I'll click on refresh, now see. Okay, so currently we got same thing. But in few cases, if you are using OR operator, 0 will be assigned. 0 will be assigned. So don't use any operator in set. Fine. So guys, I hope all of you are able to do this. Yes, guys, all of you are able to perform insert, update, and delete. Yes, I'll give you 2-minute time, guys. If you are not done, please execute it fast. Yes, I'll give you 2-minute time, guys. If you are not done, please execute. Yeah, make it fast, guys. And if you are done, guys, I want you to write a program to perform insert, update, delete. In same program, you have to perform insert, update, delete. So write a JDBC program to insert, comma, update, comma, delete. Okay, delete a record, delete records, basically delete records using, okay, records in same program, something like this. Records in single JDBC program, Yes. So guys, now we saw how we can insert a record, how we can delete a record, and how we can update. Now I want you to write single program which will insert a record, which will delete a record, and which will update the record. If you are done, if you have inserted, updated, deleted, then go for this program. If you are not done, then first execute these. Yeah, I'll give you 2-minute time. Yes, just do it all of you fast. Kishore, what error you are getting? Just copy the error and ping in chat box. Yes, Kishore, what error you are getting? Just copy the error and ping me in chat box. Class not found, then you have not added the jar file, Kishore. Yes, you have not added the jar file. You are using laptop, right? You have connected with the help of laptop, Kishore? Yeah. So I'll make you presenter, just share the screen. Yeah, I'll just see it once. I'll make you presenter, just share the screen. Hold on. The problem with your jar file, whatever jar file I gave, might be you have not used that. We'll see, we'll check it once. Kishore, you can share the screen. Okay, com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Okay, execute it once. Okay, class not found. Okay, go back to your project. Now go back to your project now. Okay, have you added a jar file? Where is your jar file? Yes, where is your jar file, Kishore? You have not added the jar file. Okay, add the jar file now. Create a folder on the project. Right click on JDBC basic. New. Top. You can see new. First option, can you see new? Yeah. Then select folder. Yeah. Then click on finish. Now copy paste your jar file. Copy paste your jar file. So where's your jar file? First, show me jar file once. Paste in this basics folder. Yeah, paste in this basics folder. Control V you can do, or right click or paste option you will get. Yeah, so click on arrow mark. This is not the jar file, Kishore. This is not the jar file. If you are following my class regularly, you have to add mysql.jar. You are not supposed to add jspiders.jar, right? So don't do these nonsense mistakes. Yeah. So 100 times I said JTBC API can be imported from java.sql package. But if you want to connect with any, yeah, if you want to connect with any database, you need a jar file provided by respective data, or you need a driver class. So do you have MySQL jar file? Kishore, do you have MySQL jar file? Kishore, respond me. Do you have MySQL jar file? You can ping me in chat box. Yes. So guys, if you are getting class not found exception, then 100% your jar file has not been added. That is a single, because of that single thing, you will get class not found. Kishore, do you have jar file of MySQL? Ping me in chat box. I shared a link in the Google Classroom. Okay, so download and add it off. Yeah, download the jar file, Kishore, and then just proceed. Yes, what about if you are getting this error, guys, then 100% problem with your jar file. Abhishek, I'll talk to you later. At last, just wait. I'll talk to you. Yes, what about others? Anyone else getting any error? Shashidhar, what error you are getting? Shashidhar Pathak. Pathak, right, or Pathak? Yeah. What error you are getting? Shashidhar, what error you are getting? If you are able to hear me, respond fast. Error in catch block. Okay, so I'll make you presenter, share the screen. Yes. You're using laptop, I hope. Yes. So I'll make you presenter. Just share the screen. Then I can't help you out. Yes, if you are not connected with laptop, I can't help you out. Get connected with laptop, then I'll help you. Yes, anyone else? You are getting any error? That's what, guys. You people will do a small minor mistake. So just correct it. Yeah, take help of your friends. Take help of your friend, guys. Because it's not possible, I'll come one by one to everyone. Yeah, I'll explain you the things generally. If there's major error, we'll see it. Okay. So Kishore, I shared the link in jar file link in the group. I'm not going to share it 100 times. Ask your friends. Yeah. Fine, guys. Let's proceed now without wasting time. So guys, have you completed insert, update, delete? Yes. In single program, how many of you have completed insert, update, and delete? Done? Very good. So guys, nothing great. At a time you are going to pass. At a time you will fire all these queries. At a time you will fire all these query and you will make use of 3 execute update method. Yes, you'll make use of 3 execute update method, and one by one we will pass the query. One by one you will pass the query. So let's say this is C, this is D. Yes, and here I'll pass query 1, query 2, query 3. Yeah, query 3. And if you want, you can pass here record inserted. Yes, record inserted. And then here you can pass plus B. Here you can write here once again record deleted. Yes, you can pass here record deleted. Record deleted, you can pass here plus C. And similarly, you can write here record. If you want to print, then only, otherwise not required. Record updated. Record updated, and you will pass here plus D. Yes. So now, guys, we need to check in database which record you want to delete. So I want to delete this Mr. Uday 124. So I'll write here select. Sorry. So first I'm going to insert this. Yes. First I'm going to. So guys, screen is not visible. Guys, my screen is not visible. Even I'm audible, right? You can hear me. Am I audible? Yes. Visible and I'm audible. Yeah. So others, if you have any issue, check with your connection. Yeah. So fine. Now I'll write a delete from this particular where employee number equals to 1 to. So first query is going to insert the record. Second query is going to delete the record, and third query is going to update the record. Yes. So what I'll do, guys, I'll insert one more record here first. First, I'll insert one more record. Then only I can update a record because this record will be deleted. I'm passing here 1 to 4. This record will be deleted. So I want to update a record. So I'll go back to database and I'll insert one record manually. So I'll say 1 to 5. Let's say name is Mr. Rahul. Mr. Rahul, and salary is, let's say, for time being, I'm going to give 25,000. Yeah, 25,500, something like this. And then let's just, yes. So currently, guys, these are the records we have. So you can see the first record will be deleted. Yeah. So we will delete the first record. This record will be deleted. And for this record, I'm going to update the salary to 50,000. For this record, guys, I'm going to update the salary to 50,000. Yes, I'm going to update the salary to 50,000. So guys, screen is not visible. Spurti, check your connection. Others, you can see my screen, I hope. Yeah, others, I guess you can see my screen. Yes. So guys, please don't disturb the class. Yeah. Check your connection first. Yeah, guys, fine. So first record I want to delete. So first thing what I'm going to do, guys, one record will be inserted by name Mr. Keshav. Yes, then Mr. Uday record will be deleted and Mr. Rahul record salary will be updated. Salary will be updated. So now let me erase these things. Now let me check what is the employee number of Mr. Rahul here. It is 125. 125. So what I'll do. Yeah, we'll pass here 125 and here we will update the salary to 50,000. So guys, at a time you can see we are going to insert, update and delete. Now let me execute this. Okay, hold on. We are getting some error. Duplicate entry. Okay. Duplicate entry, guys, because already we had, okay, 1 to 4. Fine. We'll change it off. We will change the employee number of Mr. Case up to 126. That's okay. Now we'll execute it. So we'll execute once again. Yeah. And now see the console carefully. Yes, you can see, guys, one record inserted, one record deleted, and one record updated. So salary, like Mr. Uday record should be deleted, Mr. Keshav record should be inserted, yeah, by name Mr. Keshav. And next, Rahul salary, Mr. Rahul salary should be updated. Let us go to database and we'll refresh. Yes, so guys, you can see all the operations has been like each and everything is done very neatly, has been performed perfectly. Yes. So guys, any doubt up to here? Yes, any doubt up to here, guys? Yes, okay. Yes, guys, so fine. Now, can you tell me, guys, in case of statement interface, yeah, in case of statement interface, when we are passing the query, yes, in case of statement interface, where we are passing the query, yes, in case of statement interface, guys, where we are passing the query, so can I say in case of yes, so fine, let us proceed now. Let us proceed, guys. So we discussed, yeah. So we have this, we completed how we can create a statement and how we can execute, yes, and how we can execute the query. Yes, we completed how we can create a statement. So till now we have learned how to create a statement by using statement interface. And we have completed fifth step, how we can execute the query by using execute method and by using execute update method. Execute method, guys, and by using execute update method. Now we have to proceed and we have to see what is prepared statement. Now, guys, we have to proceed and we have to see, we have to discuss what is prepared statement. What is difference between statement interface and prepared statement and many more things. Yes. So we have to discuss now how we can create a statement or platform using prepared statement. So what I'll do, I'll open new file here, don't save. and then we will proceed, guys. So before going for prepared statement, guys, we have to learn one small concept. Yes, we have to learn one small concept, how query will be compiled, executed. Yes, how we will send the query, how query will be compiled, how we will execute it, and so on. So that's what, guys, we will discuss. We will discuss the next, or we will take the next subheading as execution, or before that, compilation and compilation. Yeah, spelling might be wrong, right? Just ignore it. Yeah, we are not going to learn here spellings. Yeah, so compilation, LATION. Yeah, that's correct. Compilation and execution. Compilation and execution of SQL query. Compilation and execution of SQL query in JDBC. Yes, we have to learn, guys, very important concept. Then only you will get a clear picture. What is difference between statement interface and prepared statement? So before that, we have to discuss a very small topic, that is compilation and execution of SQL query in JDBC. Yes. So, so before that, guys, first let us start now. Let us start. So in case of, if I'll talk about statement interface, guys, if I talk about statement interface, if I talk about statement interface, so here we will pass the query in execute method. Yes, here we will pass the query in execute method. Yes, here basically, guys, we are going to pass the query in execute method. Remember this. Remember this, guys. Here we will pass the query in execute method. Now, coming about prepared statement. I have not discussed what is prepared statement and so on, guys. Just I'm giving one small point, guys, so that we can proceed. So in case of prepared statement, we have not discussed prepared statement yet. Again, I'm telling you, don't take tension. Yeah. So let's say prepared statement. Prepared statement, even it is an interface. Even it is an interface, guys. So what we will do in case of prepared statement. So in case of statement, let us discuss, guys, in case of statement interface. So what we will do, we will say con dot create statement. We will say, guys, con dot create statement. We will say con dot create a statement, and here platform will be created. And if you want to execute, you will say stmt dot execute method. Yes, and here you are going to pass the query. Remember these things. First, we are creating the statement of platform, then we are passing the query. Now, in case of prepared statement, guys, we will pass the query at the time of, we will pass the query in factory or helper method. Yes, we will pass the query in factory or helper method. What is factory helper method, guys? I didn't explain. Don't take tension at all. So let's say in case of prepared statement, we'll pass the query in factory or helper method. So you will say con dot, yes, you will say, guys, con dot, and you will use the factory or helper method of prepared statement, and here you will pass the query. Here you will pass the query, and then later you will execute it directly. You will say pstmt, you will execute. You can make use of execute method, or you can make use of execute update. So guys, what I'm trying to say basically is that in case of statement interface, we are passing the query in execute method. We are not passing the query in factory or helper method. Yes, this part we discussed completely. Now, but in case of prepared statement, we will pass the query We will pass the query in factory helper method only. What factory helper method we have to use? We have not discussed yet. Yes. So here we will pass the query in case of prepare statement. We will pass the query in factory helper method. Then we will execute. So guys, coming about your statement interface. Each time your query will be compiled. Each time your query will be compiled and then it will be executed. Yes, in case of statement interface, guys, remember, since we are passing the query at the execution time, so here, whenever you will create statement, so first query will be compiled and then it will be executed. But coming about your prepare statement, you will pass the query at the time of creating implementation object. At the time of creating implementation object. So at the time of creating implementation object itself, query will be compiled and it's ready to execute. It's ready to execute. So at runtime, basically guys, in case of prepare statement, at runtime, only query will be executed. Only query will be executed. In case of prepare statement, guys, at runtime, only query will be executed. At the time of declaration itself, query is compiled already. Query is compiled already, so at the runtime, only it will be executed. But in case of statement interface, each time the query will be compiled and then it will be executed. So this first compilation and execution will happen. Yeah, this compilation and execution is going to happen at runtime. At runtime, guys. So I hope you get to know what I'm trying to explain in the sense, in case of statement interface. Yes, in case of statement interface, query will be compiled and executed. First query will be compiled and it will be executed at runtime. Executed at runtime. But in case of prepare statement, yes, in case of prepare statement, query will be compiled at the time of declaration, just it will be executed. Just it will be executed. So guys, whatever I explained up to here, it's clear. I didn't explain what is prepare statement, but whatever I'm explaining, like whatever I explained up to here, is it clear? You got some idea? Yes, just remember 2 points here, 2 important points. In case of prepare statement, we will pass the query in factory helper method. So there itself query will be compiled. There itself query is compiled. So at the runtime, it will be executed. Just it will be executed. But in case of statement interface, since we are passing the query in execute method, so each time first it will be compiled and executed. Just remember that. So guys, now we can proceed with this particular thing. Yeah, we can proceed with compilation and execution. If you didn't get, guys, don't worry. You will get a clear picture. Yeah. If you got, it's good. If you didn't get, then you are not intelligent, right? If you didn't get, guys, then you are not that intelligent. Correct, Ranjan? Yes? Okay, if you didn't get, guys, don't take tension. Don't worry. We'll discuss once again. Yeah. So guys, since we are learning, guys, what JDBC. Since we are learning what, guys, JDBC, so we will have what? We will have a database and we will have a Java application. Yeah, we will have a database and we will have a Java application. So let's say this is my database. This is my Java application, right? Java. Let me increase the font here. Just a second. Okay, so let's say guys, this is nothing but my Java application. Java application. Java application. And let's say this is my database. Database. This is my Java application, and this is my database. So guys, first, let's say Java application is nothing but I'm going to consider as your Eclipse. For time being, guys, it is not a Java application basically, but let us consider this Java application is nothing but Eclipse. And this database is nothing but, guys, let us assume, yeah, MySQL. For time being, Eclipse is not a Java application, guys. I'm telling you, just I'm giving an example. And MySQL is nothing but it is a database. So guys, first what we will do, yeah, so first we will write the query. Yes, in Java application, what we will do, guys, first we will write the query and we will send it to database. Yes, so in Java application, guys, what we will do, we will write the query, and then once the query is written, we will send it to database. Yes or no? We will write the query, we will send to database. So basically, I can say here, we are sending the query. Sending the query from Java application, so JP or JA. Yes. So first we will write the query and we are sending the query from Java application to data. Now, once we will send the query, guys, once we will send the query, can you tell me inside database what will happen? Yes. Once we will send the query, guys, inside the database, what will happen now? Very good. So in database, first your query will be compiled. First your query will be compiled. Yes, once the query is compiled, guys, once the query is compiled, then later it will be executed. Yes or no, guys? Yeah, once the query is compiled, later it will be executed. So first we will send the query inside database, query will be compiled, it will be executed. Once the query is executed, guys, we will get back some response. Yes, we are going to get back some response, that is we will get the output. Yeah, or let's say we will get back some response. Yeah, and this you can consider as a request. Instead of sending the query, guys, you can say we are requesting database to accept the query. Anything is fine, you can say this is a request. So we should say request and response. Request and response. Yeah. So fine, guys, from Java application, first what we are doing, we are sending the query. We are sending the query. So first query will be compiled, it will be executed, we will get back the response. Now, let's say if I want to execute one query, so to execute one query, guys, let's say I need 1 millisecond. Let's say, guys, I need 1 millisecond to make a request. So for request, we need 1 millisecond. For compilation of query inside database, we need, so let's say COMP. For compilation of query, we need 1 millisecond. Similarly, for execution, we need 1 millisecond. 1 millisecond. So for, yes. So guys, to making a request for one query, we need what? 1 millisecond. For compilation, we need 1 millisecond. For okay, that is execute. That should be execution, right? That is execution. Yes, to execute a query, guys, we need 1 millisecond. Similarly, to get back the response, yes, to get back the response, we need 1 millisecond. So guys, to execute one query, yes, to execute one query, how much time we need here? To execute one query, how much time we need? Total 4 millisecond. Total 4 millisecond, guys. Now let's say if we have 1000 query. If we have 1000 query, then we need what, guys? 4 into or 1000 into 4. We need 4000 millisecond. We need what, guys? 4000 millisecond. So this is going to happen in case of your, yes, this is going to happen, guys, in case of your statement interface. Yes, this is going to happen, guys, in case of your statement interface. Because in case of statement interface, each time the query will be compiled, each time the query will be compiled, and then it will be executed. So each query will be compiled first, then it will be executed. So that's what this is going to happen in case of statement interface. Statement interface is going to happen, guys, in case of statement interface. So to execute 1000 query, we need 1000 millisecond. Remember this. So guys, if you remember this program, so first we will send the query. Yes. So first what we will do, first we are sending this query, we'll establish the connection, each and everything is done already. So we will send the query, then each time all these query will be compiled and then it will be executed. So that's what, to execute one query we need 1 millisecond. Now to execute 4000 query we need 4000 milliseconds. Now let us talk about your prepare statement. Let us talk about, guys, prepare statement. I didn't explain, guys. I said you one thing. In case of prepare statement, compilation will happen at the time of declaration. So, but yes, in case of prepare statement, compilation will happen at the time of declaration. So at the runtime, only execution will happen. Only execution will happen. So guys, can I say in case of prepare statement, in case of prepare statement, at runtime, what and all will happen, guys? So first, in case of prepare statement, we will send a query. Yes, let's say I want to execute one query. So to execute one query, I need 1 millisecond to make for request. Yes, I need 1 millisecond for request. Similarly, I need 1 millisecond to request. So whether this compilation will happen at runtime, guys, whether the compilation will happen at runtime in case of prepare statement. Yes, whether this compilation will happen. No, right? So this step we can skip in case of prepare statement, guys. Can we skip this compilation time? Yes. So directly we can execute. So 1 millisecond to execute the query. 1 millisecond to execute the query. After that, to get back the response, we need what, guys? 1 millisecond for response. So to execute one query, how much time we need, guys? 3 milliseconds. Just assume how it will happen, guys. We will discuss. No need to worry. Yeah, whatever I'm explaining, just listen that first. Yes. So 3 milliseconds. So now if I want to execute 1000 query, how much time we need? We need 3000 millisecond. We need what, guys? 3000 millisecond. So can I say performance wise, this prepare statement is better? Yes. So can I say, guys, performance wise, this prepare statement is better than statement interface? Yes, performance by this prepare statement, guys, it is better than statement interface. Yes, so just remember these points. Again, I'm telling we have not started with prepare state. Just I'm giving overview so that we can proceed. So guys, performance wise, which is better, prepare statement or statement interface? And why it is better? Can anyone tell me which is better and why prepare statement is better? Yes, prepare statement is better, no doubt at all. Why? Yes, prepared statement is better. Why, guys? Why? Why? What is the reason? I want to know the reason. It takes less time. Why less time, guys? Because, yes, why less time? Because here we will skip here at the runtime, just we are going to execute the query. Yes, very good, Sachin. So at the runtime, just we will execute. Compilation will happen at the time of declaration. So here what we can do at the time of declaration, compilation will happen, guys. So at the runtime we can skip. So I want you people to take down this complete Ramayana Mahabharata, so that if I'll explain, yeah, so that if I'll go for prepare statement, you will get a clear picture. So guys, I did this additional concept, just you should get the clear picture between statement interface and prepare statement. Because in interview, first important thing they will ask, explain me all the steps of JDBC. In interview, guys, first thing they are going to ask, explain me steps of JDBC, and second very important question they will ask, difference between statement interface and prepared statement. Second thing, guys, they will ask 100%, 110%. That difference between statement interface and prepared statement. So this is very, very, very important, guys, for your future. So first, I want you to take down these points. Yeah, so all of you just take down subheading as compilation and execution. Yes, all of you guys just take down subheading as compilation and execution of SQL query in JDBC. Yes, all of you take down, guys, compilation and execution of SQL query in JDBC. Yeah, then I'll project a small, you can say, picture. From there you can copy down the complete Ramayana. Yeah, so whatever I'll say, just copy down that much only, guys. Just a second. Yeah, I hope you took the subheading as compilation and execution of SQL query in JDBC. Now, just take down this statement, guys. Yeah, so from here you need to start. From here you have to start. In case of statement interface, you take down this diagram and this complete thing here. Yes, take down this statement and complete thing. Yeah, all of you guys, take them fast. Once you are done, I'll show you like for prepared statement as well, just copy down. So you can take down request time, or you can take down sending the query. Sending the query, and from here you can say getting the output. Getting the output or getting the response, anything is fine, guys. Getting the output or response. Yes, just take down these things. Start from in case, from here up to here you have to copy. Yes, you need to copy from these complete things. Yes, guys. So once you are done, let me know. Even you need to copy for prepared statement, then we will go for prepared statement, guys. Yeah. So Ranjan Mandal, I said for the yes. Don't take everything serious. Ranjan, right? Simply I gave example, right? For the fun. If you will take these things as a serious, then your life is very difficult, Ranjan. Yes, don't take the things very serious. After that, it is up to you, your wish. Yeah. Okay, guys, done. Okay, guys. So even you take down similarly in case of prepare statement. Yes, even if you take down in case of prepare statement. Just a second, I'll just project it, guys. Just a second, same thing, but small change here, that's it. Yeah, so don't copy each and everything, guys. Whatever is required, just copy it on that. Yeah, whatever is required, guys, just copy it on that. Just take down from here to here. Don't take down these points. These points I'll discuss later in the next separate topic. Guys, copy down. Once you are done, let me know in chat box fast. Yeah, done all of you? Fine. Okay. So guys, once again, let me know in case of prepare statement, when query will be compiled. Yes, once again, guys, let me know in case of prepare statement, when query will be compiled. Yes, very good. So it will be compiled at the time of declaration. Very good, guys, very good. Or we can say at the time of creating implementation object. Yes, so in case of prepare statement, guys, the query will be compiled at the time of declaration. Or they can say at the time of creating implementation object. So guys, first point you have to remember for prepared statement. First point we have to remember, in case of prepare statement, query will be passed. Query will be passed in factory or helper method. We will see the things practically also, guys, but before that, we have to learn the things theoretically. Yes, so first point you have to remember, guys, query will be passed in factory or helper method. That is, you can say at the time of creating implementation object. Yes, so here query will be passed at the time of creating implementation object. So once you will pass the query, query is compiled, and ready to execute. Query is compiled and ready to execute. Query is compiled, guys, and it is ready to execute. So why name prepared statement in the sense? Because here already the query is prepared. Yes, in case of why name is prepared statement in the sense already the query will be prepared. In the sense the query will be compiled. Yes, why name is prepared in the sense because here query will be compiled at compilation time. So here we can say we will get pre-compiled query. At the runtime, guys, we will get pre-compiled query. That is the reason it is known as prepared statement. So guys, remember here we'll pass the query in factory helper method and at the time of creating implementation object. Now, once we pass the query, so here query is compiled and it is ready to execute. Now coming about this prepared statement, it is going to accept something as placeholder. It is going to accept something as placeholder and it is represented by question mark. Yes, this placeholder, guys. So this prepared statement can accept placeholder. This prepared statement, guys, it can accept placeholder. Now, what is the use of placeholder in the sense? This placeholder can take, it will take dynamic value at runtime. It will take, guys, dynamic value at runtime. So I'll explain placeholder separately, guys. No need to worry. Just remember what is placeholder. So placeholder is represented by question mark and it will take dynamic value at runtime. So guys, just remember 2 points here. Prepared statement is known as pre-compiled statement. Prepared statement, guys, it is known as pre-compiled statement because here query will be compiled at the time of creating implementation object. And it is going to accept placeholder. It is going to accept, guys, placeholder. It is represented by question mark and this placeholder helps user to take dynamic value at runtime. What is placeholder? We'll see in depth, guys. Again, no need to worry. Now, so can I say, guys, this prepared statement, it is nothing but it is a sub interface of statement interface. Yes, this prepared statement, guys, it is nothing but it is a sub interface of statement interface. So just remember these points, then we can proceed. Now, guys, first point you have to remember, it is a sub interface of statement interface. This prepared statement, guys, it is a sub interface of statement interface. It supports concept of placeholder to take dynamic value at runtime. Yes, it will accept, it will support the concept of placeholder to take dynamic value at runtime. And even it will support the concept of compile once and execute many times. Because here we can pass multiple value at runtime. So once the prepared statement is compiled, we can pass n number of queries at the runtime. We can pass n number of same type of query. We'll see what it is, don't worry. Just remember, it supports the concept of compile once and execute multiple times. This is known as execution plan. What is the execution plan, guys? Compile once and execute many times. So that's what this prepared statement will is going to support one concept, that is compile once and execute many times. So guys, spelling mistake is there, just ignore it. Now, in case of prepared statement, query is passed at the time of creating implementation object. So at the time of passing the query itself, query got compiled and it's ready to execute. That I explained already. Hence, we can say prepared statement is known as pre-compiled statement. So we can say, guys, prepared statement is known as pre-compiled statement. So guys, up to here, whatever I explained, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Yeah. So guys, I want you people to take down these points. Yeah. All of you take down subheading as prepared statement and please copy down these points neatly. Now we will discuss the internal implementation, what is factory as method and all, and then we'll go for program. Yes, guys. So just copy down these points first. I'll give you 1 minute time. Please copy down little fast. Yes, copy down quickly. So guys, done? Yes, is it done, guys? Okay. Fine, guys. Then let us proceed. Okay. So in case of statement interface, guys, what is the factory helper method we have to use? Yes, in case of statement interface, guys, what is the factory helper method we have to use? Yeah, in case of prepare statement, guys, what is the factory helper method name we have to use? Create a statement. Very good. So in case of statement interface, create statement is the factory helper method. Now we have to discuss, guys, prepared statement. Now we have to discuss prepared statement. So again, this prepared statement, guys, basically it is nothing but is present in a package java.sql.prepared statement. Yes, java.sql.prepare statement. Now this prepare statement as well, it is present in java.sql package. So we will say prepare statement pstmt equals to, and here as well, guys, what we have to do, we have to make use of connection interface reference variable. So we will say con dot. Now, guys, what can the factory helper method name in case of prepare statement? Any guess? In case of statement, in case of connection interface, it is get connection. In case of statement interface, it is create statement. Now, in case of prepared statement, what can the factory helper method, guys? Any guess? So it is nothing but it is a prepare. Yeah, it is nothing but prepare. P-R-E-P-A-R-E. So it is prepare statement. It is prepare statement. So in case of prepare statement, the factory helper method name is prepare statement. So in case of statement interface, guys, as I said, we'll pass the query in execute method. But since we are using prepare statement, we will pass the query in factory helper method itself. We will pass the query, guys, in factory helper method itself. So here itself we have to pass the query. So that's what, again, same Ramayana Mahabharata, guys. Yeah. So first thing you should know what is, first thing, guys, what is prepared statement? So it is a sub interface of statement. The sub interface of statement interface. Now it is a part of JDBC API. It is a part of JDBC API. Yes, it is a part of JDBC API. Now, here we will use a factory helper method by name prepare statement. So this prepare statement is nothing but it is a factory or helper. It is a factory or helper method. Is a factory or helper method. Now what this factory helper method will do? So it will create and it will return implementation object. So I can say it creates and returns implementation object. I'll say impl object. So guys, again, same Ramayana Mahabharata, right? So here, what is prepare statement? So it is a sub interface of statement interface, and it is a part of, yes, it is a part of JDBC API. Now, since it's the interface, we cannot create object. We'll make use of a factory helper method. So here factory helper method name is prepare statement. And here itself we will pass the query. Once we will pass the query is ready. Yeah. In the sense the query is compiled and it's ready to execute. So now this factory helper method will create and it will return the implementation object. It will create and it will return what, guys? Implementation object of statement interface. It will create and return implementation object of statement interface. So guys, I want you people to copy down these points. I want you people to copy down these points. So guys, just copy down fast. Yeah, copy down fast, guys. So guys, I hope whatever I try to explain, all the concepts are clear up to here. Yes, whatever I explained, yeah, all the concepts are clear for everyone, guys. I guess you got some idea what is prepared statement and what is the difference. Once we will write the program, guys, you will get a clear picture. Yeah. So I want you to take down subheading as, yeah, I want you to take down subheading as placeholder. Yes, I want you to take down subheading as placeholder. So guys, all of you take down subheading as placeholder. And this placeholder, guys, we will continue in tomorrow's class. Yes, because to explain placeholder, the complete flow along with prepared statement, I need minimum 1 hour. Yes, I need 1 hour. So 1 hour we will see the concept and remaining 1 hour, like we will execute the program. We will execute the program. Yes, so minimum I need 1.5 hour along with program and theory of placeholder. Minimum 1.5. So guys, all of you join the session by 8 o'clock or 8:05. Again, I'm telling you, all of you join the class by 8:05 or max to max 8:10. After 8:10, I'm not going to wait. Yes, I'm waiting from last 2 to 3 days. From tomorrow, I'm not going to wait at all. Will not join also, we will start the session. Yes, so tomorrow we'll start with placeholder. We will see the program. So guys, I can see many of your friends, they will join the class at starting. In middle itself, they will leave the class. Yes, so if you want to become a good developer, if you want to get a job, then you have to learn the things properly. Yes, you have to learn the things properly, guys. You know, like in JS Spiders, every year, nearly 20 to 30,000 students will come. Do you think all of them will get development job? Yes, if you want a job, then you have to suffer. Yes, you have to work hard, not like you will come, you will go. Just for fun, you will join the class. I know, guys, many of you will not listen the class carefully. Either it is Java class, SQL class, or whatever. So that is your loss. If you want to be successful in a life, if you want to become a developer, then whatever we are teaching, just learn that. And even you have to add your content. So from where you will get the extra content, you will get from Google. Yes. So first, whatever we are explaining, learn the things properly. Trust me, guys, we will not at all teach you any extra concept. Whatever is required for interview, that much only we will teach you, guys. Even we know we don't have that much time, even you don't have that much time. So whatever is required, that much only I'll teach you, guys. So please join the session on time, be little serious, then only you will get the job, guys. Yes, many of your friends, they got job in after completion of Java. Why they got job? Because these people were serious. Many of them, they got job after SQL itself. Many of them got job within a week. Why these people got the job? Because these people were very serious about their future. If you are serious, guys, then in future you will do something great. Yeah, you'll become a successful developer. Either it can be Python, Java, whatever, guys. But if you are not at all serious, for fun, you are joining the class, in middle you will come, you will go out. I know few of you might face the technical issue. Yes, last year, guys, what happened? I used to share the video. So what your senior Dabba fellows they used to do, they used to share the video to non-JS Spider friends as well. That is the reason from this year we have stopped. This year we are not sharing the video at all. So if you will do these things, guys, it's very difficult. So please join the session. Whatever doubt you have, 100% guys, I'll clear your doubt. And don't try to miss the session, guys. Yes, don't try to miss that. Unfortunately, if you are going to miss the class, let me know. Yes, let me know. I definitely, guys, I'll help you out. If you are regular for the class, yes, then definitely, guys, if you are serious, if I'll get to know, I'll help you out in each and every perspective. So please be serious, join the class on time, learn the things, get the job. That is the final goal, guys. Yeah, we don't want to scold you. Yes, we don't want to scold you. Last year, guys, we shared the video. So what your seniors they used to do, they will not attend the class itself. They will think anyhow we are getting video, right? So we will not attend the class at all. So because of these things, this time we are not sharing the video at all. And please don't ask. Yeah, if you are going to miss the class, please ask notes from your friend. Yes, at least you will have one friend. Yeah, at least you will have one friend. So ask with your friends. Yeah, if you have any doubt, guys, you ping me in Google Classroom itself. I'll reply for each and every one. Yes, daytime I can't reply. After 7 or 8, once I'm free, I'll reply. You can, whatever doubt you have, you can ask me, like ping me in Google Classroom itself. I'll try to arrange some meeting or whatever. I'll try to revert you back. But guys, learn the things properly. This is about your future. This is not a small toy, right? Okay, I'll share the link in the Google Classroom. How many of you want Java notes, guys? Yes, how many of you want Java notes? Okay, so link I'll share in the Google Classroom. So guys, whatever help you want, I'm ready to do. But at least, yeah, I'll share the link, guys. I'll share the link. You can download. So I have actually Java 8.1, Java 8.2. So in Java 8.1, guys, you will have up to abstraction, I guess. Yeah, up to abstraction from Java 8.2, you will have complete libraries. Like you will have exception, collection, each and every concept, guys, very neatly along with program. Yes, so I'll share it, guys, in group so you can download it. In evening, guys, I'll share. Unfortunately, if I'm going to miss, just ping me once. Yes, one or two members just ping me. Yeah. So if you have any doubt, guys, just ping me directly in the Google Classroom. I'll try to answer it. I'll try to revert you back. If there is major issue, if you have any major doubt, we'll try to arrange a Google go-to meeting. Yeah. So yesterday also, guys, I arranged a go-to meeting. Yesterday also, I arranged a go-to meeting. So, but many of you didn't join. Only 2 to 3 members joined, and even they didn't have laptop. So with laptop, if you need to join, guys, then only I can see the error. I can rectify. Priyanka, you're from which batch? Yeah, you're from which batch? Or whose skill batch you have attended? Mine or Navneet? Okay, no problem. I'll share that also. Yeah, I'll share SQL also, guys. Yeah, I'll share both in the group. But learn the things properly. Yeah, that is the final thing I will say, guys. Learn the things properly. Yes. So, guys, if you are getting error again, yesterday I shared one link, go to meeting. Regarding the software installation, guys, I shared one link. Yeah, I shared one link, guys. So today you can join by 5:45 sharply. Exactly, you have to join by 5:45. If you have any doubt, we will clear that out because I don't want to affect the complete strength of the class. If I'll affect each and every day, others will lose their interest. Right? So instead of that, we will arrange like for half an hour, 20 minutes, we'll arrange one meeting, and there, whatever doubt you have, I'll help you out. If you want, like if you have any doubt, so Abhishek, you join in the evening. You're asking for the video, right? You join in the evening. And there I'll help you out. Yeah, otherwise, guys, study the things properly. Don't waste your time. Since this is a lockdown, utilize it because you will be in home. So everything will be taken care by your parents, food and all. So don't like no tension at all. If you come back to Bangalore and PG, again you need to search PG. Many more things will be there, guys. Lot more disturbances PG as well. Just you are in home, guys. Utilize this lockdown and try to get rest soon as possible. Yeah, so that it will be helpful for your friends. So fine, guys, that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll start with placeholder. So inform your friends, join the session by 8:10 max to max. I'll start. Yeah. So please don't miss the class. Be there. So in next 10 days, or let's say next 1 week, we will complete your JDEs. After that, we'll go for Servlet. Yes. So it depends upon your interest. If you are really interested, I'll teach Servlet in depth. Or if you are not that much interested, whatever is required for the sprints, I'll do it. Yeah, again, it depends upon you guys. So fine, guys. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll continue same time by 8:05, 8:10. So whatever link I shared in the class, sorry, Google Classroom, there you can use it and you can join the meeting by 5:45. I'll clear your doubts, whatever you have. But if you have missed the class, I can't keep back up, guys. Yeah. So I'll try to do some alternative thing. So join the meeting, I'll help you out. So fine, guys, that's all for today. We'll end this meeting. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.